guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nora, and today I will be reviewing a cool gadget that I will be using in many of my upcoming videos. Can you guys guess what it is? It is an Audio Technica AT2020 USB microphone. Whoa, I can't guess I just said that big of a word. My friend suggested that I should make some gaming videos, and I might even do some song videos. I'm hoping this will definitely help me improve my voice quality. And make sure you stick around till the end because I will be doing a mic test at the end of this video. So let's unbox this cool device. So here we have a warranty card. And here's how it looks. There's a few manuals here. Next we have, of course, the main piece, the mic. And we have a pouch. Let's see what is inside the pouch. So we have a few cables. We have two. So one is a lightning cable and one is a USB cable. Over here we have the stand, and I'll open these up in a few minutes. And here we have the thing that connects the mic with the stand. So now I'll open it up. Here's the mic, and it's pretty heavy. It's made full of metal, so it's gonna be heavy. Here we have the stand. Pretty hard to open this up. So here's the stand, the table stand. So here's how it looks. And over here we have what connects it. Then we have our lightning cord. The lightning cord is for Apple and iPods and iPads. And we have our USB. This is for laptops, PCs, and Macs. So let's install the mic and the stand together. So we take the one that has a hole in the middle and we take the mic and we screw it in. Got it. And now we take this side and screw it in to the stand. Let's now try to place it. So this is pretty heavy, as I told you earlier. So if like the legs are like this, it can fall over. So you might want to bend it over to you a bit so that the weight is stable. And now let's try connecting this to my PC. So let's connect the mic with my PC. I'm going to take my USB cable, and over here I have a USB port, which I will put my USB cable in. And this is micro USB, and you will put it over here, which is a micro USB port. So let me just put that in. And it is connected. Now it's connected, and to make sure that it is, there is a blue light in the center of the mic. So that's why we know it's connected. And now I have to install a software so that I can record my voice and test it out. So now I have the software on, and over here it has the increasing and decreasing the voice level. So let's test this out. Hello, hello. So I'm going to put it on the loudest. This is how it sounds like when it's loud. And this is the lowest. So yeah, I think the loudest sounds the best. But yeah. So now I'm going to try singing a cappella. 1, 2, 3, go. I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water, no matter how hard I try. 1, 2, 3, go. I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water, no matter how hard I try. So that was just a quick test of me singing, and soon I will be coming up with more gaming videos and singing videos. And please like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you press that bell icon, and if you like this video, make sure you click the like button down below. Thank you, and bye-bye.